Hello, and welcome to the online version of Master's Module ED7003, Research Methods in Social Science. My name is Dan Davies, and I'm the module leader. We've designed this module with colleagues in the Department of Sociology and Psychology at Bath Spa University to be a core module for MA Education Awards and other Master's programs in the social sciences. If you're a PhD student, you may also find this introduction to research methods useful. Through the 10 sessions, we're going to be looking at the nature of research in social sciences, paradigms and assumptions, research design and ethics, qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods. By the end, we hope you'll know how to choose an appropriate methodology for your master's dissertation or thesis, how to make use of theory in your research, how to plan data collection and analysis, and how to present your findings. This first session looks at what we mean by research in social situations. So here are the aims and learning objectives for session 1. We want you to have a broad appreciation of the role of social science research within society and some of the criticisms that are levelled at it, particularly at educational research. We're going to be introducing some of the main approaches to research, qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods, comparing examples of them with each other, and looking at the criteria we might use to judge their quality. Some of these quality criteria might include the sampling approach. Of all the people, schools, or social situations we might choose to look at in a particular, for a particular phenomenon, why have we chosen this particular group or individual? Also, what inference or interpretation are we placing on the data we collect? Are our findings or conclusions justified by the methods we've used? Let's start by thinking for a moment what we mean by the word research. It's a term that is widely used in different ways, particularly in the media. Whether it's personal research, such as the novelist might undertake in order to lend authenticity to a story set in a particular place or time, or the kinds of industrial research that tends to happen in R&D departments in large organizations, we all think we know what research means. However, the way that medical or social research is represented in newspapers and other media can make us skeptical of the findings. Nutritional research, for example, always seems to be coming up with different answers to which foods are good or bad for us. Social research, including that focused on education, often tends to be oversimplified or trivialized, so that it becomes a statement of the obvious, or suggests a link or causality, which ultimately may be spurious. So, thinking about all those possible definitions of research, what would your definition be? Would it be like Hitchcock and Hughes, who just see research as a form of systematic inquiry? Is it about increasing the sum of knowledge? Or is it about the collection, analysis, interpretation, and use of data? When you've written down your definition of research, look at it and think for a moment about whether it's scientific or social research that you're describing. Is it research about phenomena in the natural world, or is it research about people and the way they behave? Is there a difference, do you think, between scientific and social research? Please contribute to the discussion board about this question.